And on to step 4 of the onboarding, which is your marketing plan. So this is one of my favorite parts of business too. So it's really identifying what your message is and who you want to say it to. So who your ideal customers are, which you'll have already done a bit of work on that and the business plan. And then just looking at the network that you have now and what network you want to move into. So it will already have taken some of the information that you've added to your business plan and bring all that in first. So it's not as much work as it would be starting up from scratch. And also, this is a far more tailored approach than using sort of a marketing plan from an AI that you might get. It really goes into, works out what you've already done, and then looks at what is easy for you. So, like what social media platforms you're already on, and how to create content that you can produce long term. The specialist marketing plan writer will guide you through each sections, teaching you as it goes, and then come up with a complete marketing document, one that you understand, that you can implement, and you can share with your work coach as part of proving gainful employment if you're looking to do that. But it's way beyond creating something standard. You don't have to do this all in one go. You can start now and come back to it again and again, or whenever you want. You can't make a mistake. You can't get anything wrong. And if you want to come back and edit at any points, remember you can always come up to your documents tab here. And there you can work on your business plan some more, your brand guide some more, your marketing plan. And there's a couple of other helpers that if you want to do some more work on your website, or if you want to set up your social media, everything is here. And if you need any extra help, please don't hesitate to get in touch. The contact us page on our website, where you can find us on social media, you can email, or you can book a one-to-one with me. I really hope you enjoyed using Inky, and please let us know if you have any comments, feedback, or suggestions.